Alrighty guys, so today we're going to be looking at another problem given just kind of with applications and dealing with modeling these linear equations in real life situations. The first thing that we're looking at is a car rental company charges $25 plus 5 cents per mile driven to rent a car. First thing that we want to do is write the equation for C, which will equal the cost of driving X miles. So C, which is going to be the cost of driving our car X miles. Well, looking at our sentence here, we have two big things that stand out. So we have this $25 charge. This $25 charge is standard, and that's what is always going to happen, and something that is always going to be paid. So that 25 is considered a constant. The thing that's going to be variable, or the thing that's going to be changing, is these 5 cents per mile. Well, if we take a look at it, if we have 5 cents per mile, well, 5 cents written in just your standard dollar amount is just going to equal 0.05. So 5 cents and per mile. Well, the thing that we're going to be looking at, or the thing that's going to be changing, is our mileage. So we're not really sure how many miles we're given, but it can be represented as this relationship right here to where it's 0.05x, where x is going to equal the number of miles. So if we add that, the 0.05x, to our constant, which is $25, x, then we get this equation right here. And this equation right here is going to be our cost of what it's going to be for us to drive this rental car. Okay, taking a look at this, we see that Alejandra was actually charged $33, and it's asking us, okay, well, how many miles did she drive? Well, we just created this equation up here, so let's see if we can put it to use. So the cost we were given to be $33. And we also found that we can find how many miles, in this case x, is going to be our miles. And so that's kind of what we're looking for. So our equation is telling us we have our standard fee of $25 plus our 5 cents per mile, where x is our miles. Okay, subtracting 25 from both sides, we can use this equation here to figure out what our mileage is going to be. X equals 8, and if we divide by 0.05, we get x equals 160 miles. Okay, well, let's plug this back in, and I use my calculator there in order to pop out that 160, but let's plug this back in and see if this works. So 33 equals 25 plus 0.05 times 160. And thinking about it, we're asked to actually look at the reasonableness of our solutions that we're given. Well, 160-mile road trip, or 160 miles on a rental car, that does seem like a pretty far distance, actually. I don't know what all Alejandra is using this rental car for, but she did drive quite a ways. That's about 2 hours or so on the highway, especially with traffic, but she definitely did have somewhere to go. But anyway, taking a look at this, we have 33.00 equals 25 plus, and this right here actually equals 8. 25 plus 8, well, that's equal to 33. And we find that this 160 miles that Alejandra traveled, whether it be for work, business, or maybe she just wanted to take a road trip not in her car, but that's the right answer.